In order for you to make your 3D hologram movie, you need to make sure that you have iMovie and Keynote available on your iPad. You can select those through self-service. When you get to your iPad and you already have recorded your movie with the green screen, you're going to open up iMovie. You will start a new project. It will be in Movie. Select Movie. First, you're going to add your picture of your black backdrop. And then you're going to say Create Movie. This will add the picture in there. You can stretch out the time of this longer if you feel like you need to. You need to make sure that this white line is in the front of your black photo. So you need to have your black photo behind the white line. Then you will click into video. I know my green screen video is available and recently added. Select your green screen video. There will be 3 dots after you select it that appear. Those 3 dots will give you choices. You can say blue screen, add it in, and it will create the black background that you need in order to make your 3D hologram picture. And when I play it, you will hear the volume.
This video is an example of how you can make a 3D hologram video. This is where you would insert the code that you are going to have another group decode.
Then you will finish this video. You will say done. You want to make sure that you export your project and save and share video. So I'm going to save my video. I want to save the video. This is going to go, it's exporting now. It's going into my photo library. Okay, so now your video's in your photo library. That's going to be really helpful when you get to Keynote. So I closed out of iMovie. I'm moving into Keynote. In Keynote, I want to choose a basic black presentation. I do not need the presentation title. I can delete that. I can delete the subtitle, and I can delete the background. Now it's completely black. Now I'm going to start inserting my video. So I have photo or video. I'm going to select the video that I created that has the black background. Here's my video with the black background, and it's selected in there. I'm going to size it down, and then I'm going to move it so that it's directly center. But I want to make sure that I leave enough space for the 3D projector to go around it. When I click on that, I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to paste that. Notice that it's not in the right formation. So I need to make sure that I turn the video. So I'm going to rotate this image. I've got it about centered. And now I'm going to rotate the image. Once you size your video down and you have it to a smaller square, you can click on your video and then you can copy, and then you're going to paste the video over here. You need to use 2 fingers, and you're going to select the video and rotate it. You want to rotate it to 270, and we're going to move that video so that it is centered, but like by the other video, because you want to make a square. Then we're going to copy again, copy. We're going to paste another one here, paste, rotate so that this, again, 2 fingers, select, rotate so it is at 180, move your 180 video where you need to place it in the center. Then you're going to copy, paste, 2 finger selection, rotate the video so it is at 90 degrees. I didn't quite get it 90, there's 90. And I have, now you can see a square of videos, but you don't have them playing at the same time when it opens.
Hello, this is Miss Groebe.
So I'm going to pause that video because now we need to add in like what we want to say about it being able to play at the same time. To make all 4 videos play simultaneously, you will need to select each video. You are going to select Start Movie because it's going to tell you when you can start it. We want to make sure that we're starting it after transition, not on tap. We want to make sure after transition is selected. So So when you first go in, it's probably going to have on tap selected. You want to select after transition, which delays it 0 seconds. And now you have to do that for each of the videos. So now I'm going to select the next video. I'm going to say start movie. And then I'm going to say with build 1. Then I'm going to say start movie with build 1. Then I'm going to say start movie with build 1. And now all the videos should play at the same time.
Hello, this is Miss Groebe's video as an example of how you can make a 3D hologram video. This is where you would insert the code that you are going to have in another group.
Now when you have all your videos programmed, they will play at the same time, and you will be able to have your 3D hologram video with your code embedded in it.